going on, YouTube? Got a package from the Bronx-LockPicker. I'm stoked about it. Let's see what's in it. Thank you, Bronx. Get some shouts out while I'm trying to figure this out. Storylock, thanks for the comments. Everybody else that has commented on my videos, thank you. Lock Noob. Few others. Eden family in Little Rock, love you guys. Little Jersey in Texarkana, love you, girl. Thanks for shooting the BB gun with me. Lawson, had fun shooting the BB gun, buddy. Donna, thank you. Man, never not kidding with this tape. Okay, let's just go about it this way. We'll try not to cut anything inside. Hold on, I'm getting a new blade. I've been using that all day at work, cutting insulation. Work has been a pain in my butt this week. We got one guy out with shingles. Lost our secretary. And we got another guy out with COVID. So I've been having to do some things I usually don't have to do, which I don't mind too much. But the guy I'm working with has a communication problem. Bam. Y'all see that? That's crazy. Okay, I had to check the angle. Let's see what we got here. Bam. Pinning tray, is that what it's called? And another one. Ooh-wee. Bronx. You did too much, brother. Oh, by the way, Bronx is a Marine, y'all. Appreciate your service, brother. Sorry for saying too much. Isn't that just crazy? I guess I would call that a pinning kit. Thank you, Bronx. I'm not too sure how to use all this. I'll get it figured out. I guess I could watch some YouTube videos on it. Woohoo. Key tags. Thank you, Bronx. Oh, razor blades. Just put a fresh one in my knife. Can always use razor blades. Let's see what we got here. Oh man. We have the Suicide Lock by the Bronx-LockPicker. Can y'all see that? Suicide pinned by Bronx-LockPicker60 on 114.21 challenge lock. Thank you, Bronx. Put that right here. Lockwood, KIK cylinder, and holder for your collection. What? Bronx, I don't even know anything about that. Lockwood. Cool. Bronx, you did too much, brother. This is crazy. Lockwood rim cylinder to start your lock collection. Man, that is so cool, Bronx. You know how long it's been since anybody's ever really done anything for me, Bronx? Been a minute, brother. Especially somebody that's never even met me. Oh man, and now we've got Cyanide by the Bronx-LockPicker60. Cyanide pinned by Bronx-LockPicker60 on 114.21 challenge lock. Uh-oh. Nice. It's a multi-bit fine screwdriver with fine bits, small bits. I don't know what to call it. Thank you, Bronx. This is like Christmas early, y'all have no idea. Speaking of which, I think Donna got me a Christmas present. Well, I know she did. I don't know if anyone else did. Thank you, Donna. Challenge locks from the YouTube lock picking community. Get off the gas. Let's see what these guys sent me. I'm gonna keep these in a different. I'm gonna keep these in this bag and put Bronx's locks back in this bag. This guy is number 37. I don't know what that means, Bronx, but we're gonna put these guys right here. Then we have Jason Carlson, number 72. Picked 310 pinned? I don't know what that says. I guess the lock is named Nix. I don't know what kind it is, y'all. Jason Carlson. And of course, picked by Bronx. Cameron Dunn, number 19, 9/3/2018. Picked on video 12/11/18. And this lock is named Cotton Candy. Now I sure hope that this is recording. I gotta check. Ow. Okay, it is. What do we got here? Yale 5-pin rim cylinder lock. Almost stock lock. Fun to pick. Stock lock. Almost. What do we have here? It's Quick set. Texas Jim quick set. Coolness. Man, it's been a bad week, y'all. You don't know how on time this package was. YNG Hot Tap by Bear's Back. Okay, Bear's Back. We're going to check it out. Let me put all these guys back in. Awesome. What do we got here? Come on, Bronx. You're doing too much, man. Look out. Philadelphia Phillies, baby. I will cherish this forever, Bronx. That freaking locks. That freaking locks. Rocks, I mean. Hold on, I gotta check out the mirror. Oh, heck. Look how well it goes with the Corona mask. Bronx, thanks, bro. Good floor. This is interesting. Look at that, Bronx. I guess great minds think alike. Thank you, brother. Now, let's see what we got here. I don't know if I've forgotten anybody out there. Peterson's Gym 0.025. Cool. Bronx. And one of the managers at the hotel has got some locks that she needs picks. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Oh man. Rake. Sorry, I don't know enough about it to describe each one to y'all. That's a pick. That's a half diamond pick, maybe. Is that a city rake? I don't know. It's some kind of rake. .2 millimeter tension bar. 0.8 millimeter tension bar by Mad Bob. All those are Mad Bobs. 1 millimeter Mad Bob. Insane, man. Just insane. Oh, okay, hold on. This is the Peterson's Hook 1, 0.025. The Joker is pretty slim. Bronx, you didn't have to do all this, brother. I do appreciate you. And if any of y'all out there think you have to show your receipt at Walmart, you don't. There's not a law in the land that says you've got to show Walmart your receipt. I get so tired of it. I just don't even do it anymore. They can trespass me, arrest me, whatever they want to do. That worked. This way. Okay, I saw these, but I don't know what to call them. I forgot. It's for pushing through the lock and keeping the pins in place as you pull it out pin by pin, so everything just doesn't fall apart on you. Thank you, Bronx. Guess these are all in different sizes. Man, get in there. Y'all go visit the Bronx-LockPicker. Tell him you appreciate his service as a Marine and just as a journaling around. Sorry. Forgot what I was going to say. I had a misspent youth. It has severely damaged my brain. It wasn't just a youth either. Oh, and one more thing. No, I'll save that for another video. Thank you, Bronx. I will do a little. Thanks, Bronx. Bye, YouTube.